Hey, what's up, everybody? In this video, we're going to be diving into something that's absolutely insane when it comes to AI. If you're doing n8n, if you're trying to do anything with AI, you need to check this out. Now, if you go to my YouTube channel, these two videos that are the latest one, whenever you're watching this, these two videos, this one here, which is
Yesterday,
all
Sam
it's slide based. So these are all different slides. And then this is news that just came out yesterday, okay? And it has
Sam,
voiceover
this is the
on it as well. And this was all made inside of Manus. And this is what I want to talk to you guys about today because there is a big shift that's happening in the world with AI. And it really does come down to how you're going to leverage your time because Manus will go and create this whole video. It created this whole video and the other video here, all of the slides. It did all of the research. It knew exactly everything to do. I told it the only thing I had to do was create a voiceover, which I think you can actually create a voiceover inside of Manus as well. But I just kind of want to walk you through what an autonomous AI agent is and really, is it worth your time? Because if you're using n8n, like, if you're trying to do AI automation, anything like that, the biggest problem is you have these individual nodes. You have to figure out how to actually work them, how to get them configured, how to do all of this crap. Okay. So with Manus, it actually goes. So this is what I said. You're a satirical YouTube scriptwriter, slide creator for viral videos about the latest AI and tech news. Your job is to research the most recent, absurd, controversial AI tech news. If nothing viral happened in the last 40, then use something with Elon, OpenAI, etc. And then it goes through and gives a whole framework. So I created that separately in ChatGPT. I went and had it create a framework based off of a popular idea of what's actually happening out there, and then use that. Now, what it does is when it went through, it did all the research, it's searching the internet. But what's insane about agentic AI is I'm going to find it here. So it's searching images. It found all of the images that were needed for the slides. It went and found all the images. Then it went and created the slides themselves, which is insane. Created the slides themselves here, okay? And then what you need to understand is it's creating the slides out of code. So these are not, it's not like going into Google Slides or using any of these slide generators. Slide creators are dead. I don't know, these companies that are creating slide companies for AI are ridiculous because the agentic AI goes in, opens up a computer console and actually creates the code in a freaking computer console that is the slide. So sometimes the slides can not be in 16:9 format, and there's some issues with that. So you got to, kind of keep it close to what actually is needed for the right formatting. But then it'll go through, and so then it created the slides, and then it went through and created the so then make the slide 16:9. So then it went and made the slide 16:9, and then it went through and it's searching more news, things like that. It created the actual scripting for each of the slides, and it wrote the script on the actual slide. And then the only thing I did was I created in 11 Labs, I took the script, I took the script and put it into 11 Labs here as a voiceover. And then I downloaded that and then put it back into Manus. And I said, okay, so here's this write the script for that. So then it wrote the script. Yesterday, Sam Altman announced OpenAI's delay for their model again indefinitely this time. That's tech speak for never. And it has a bunch of jokes in there and everything. Okay. And the scripting, super good. So then I made this in 11
yesterday,
Labs on
Sam
my
Altman
phone.
announced OpenAI's
I was
delaying
actually
their
at the
open
gym while I was
model.
doing this, and then uploaded it into Manus here, and then it combined it all together. And this is what is the most powerful thing having to do with AI and autonomous agents, okay? And this is where I really want you to lock into, because doing stupid things like n8n and node to node and just these wasting hours and hours and hours when there are really advanced AIs out there like this, okay? So what it does is it actually opens up a terminal in the cloud, okay? And it will actually do coding. So it's coding everything. It's using code to actually edit and compile all. It's creating Python scripts. You can see right here, it's using Python, it's writing code in Python, it's downloading all of them, it's compiling all of it to where then it actually created the video and gave me a video to download. I mean, I don't think there's anything out there on the planet that is this advanced. This is what we want from AI. We want to be able just to say, go make me an amazing video about my topic or brand, and then I should be able to just let it go and do that. But this is what autonomous AI agents do, is they open up a computer in the cloud and actually code. And that's why it's insane, because you're sitting here doing n8n and trying to do all this stuff and trying to, get these nodes working and trying to just get some faceless videos going up and all this stuff. But really, there's already computers, there's already AIs that are running computers in the cloud that can do so much more for you, which is really probably what you want to be focusing on. Now, this obviously the biggest limitations are you run out of credits and you have to just keep talking to the AI to get it to happen. But any brand for, I think it's like $200 a month, something like that. What is it? Monthly, it's $200 a month. You could have this $200 a month, and it would probably be more, if not better, than any employee you could hire. And that would give you enough time to where, okay, that I'm just talking about making videos. Okay, that again, this is just making videos. But what this actually does is way more. So, besides making these amazing videos, which have funny jokes to it,
because
and
nothing
the timing of the voiceover,
it's like
was
teaching a
exactly
toddler
on
language
point
by locking
with
them in a
the
Twitter
timing of the actual slides and everything, which is so crazy and honestly the most amazing thing ever. Besides all of that, what it actually can do is this, which is even crazier. So all of these here, look at all of these. I did this 2 weeks ago because I've been doing so much stuff in the behind the scenes. But all of these quizzes here were created by Manus. I was actually sitting here drinking wine while I was creating these quizzes on my phone with Manus, saying, hey, I told Manus, go into my YouTube channel and actually create these quizzes for n8n. And it went and did them, okay? You can't do that with any other sort of AI. It's virtually impossible. You have to use the autonomous agents. And that's where the future is going. So I don't know how long n8n can last, to be honest. I don't know how long we can actually just have these silly little things being used when we have AI that can go out there and actually go and do things in the computer. So let me find a commenting strategy here where it went and did this. So yeah, you can see here what it did is it actually, well, this is a different one. So I had it went and create the posts for it. Yeah, where was it? Posts, how to comment? No, one of these. Oh, here we go. Here. So it was creating a post. So it went in, it figured out what it was going to create, and then it went in and actually created those on YouTube, which is incredible. You just say, go and create posts on YouTube, go and create quizzes, whatever. And then what I did was even more crazier is I had it go and look, this is search YouTube for n8n meta ads videos, find relevant video. It went and read the transcript of the video and then actually wrote a comment on the video about the video. So let's see. So you can probably go to this video and see my comment on there. And it just goes through and actually creates everything and writes it all. This is incredible to be able to just tell AI to go do something in your computer. It's in the cloud. So this has a cloud browser that then you turn on and it keeps your login information saved in your session so that you can go back and actually leverage this and keep using it. This is really Manus. There's another one, GenSpark. And there's a couple other, which are these kind of all-in-one. And this is where AI is really going. GenSpark isn't as good as, from what I've seen as far as Manus. It doesn't open up a cloud console in the way that Manus does, but it does do a bunch of stuff. A lot of it is really revolutionary, and honestly, n8n is really purposeful for specific use cases. But to be able to just, if I was gonna like, hey, you're a business and you want to use AI, using Manus is going to be the fastest solution for any business to be able to immediately start getting something going and working without having to waste your time trying to figure out all of these different nodes and things like that. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you guys as far as AI automations and using autonomous AI and all of these new different brands that are out there, that are coming up with how you can actually leverage AI for your business. But really, again, it's about your time. I've wasted so many hours in n8n messing around with nodes, messing around with things, and then it all got erased or it all got messed up or whatever, and it's just a big waste of time. So really, using AI to save time and to make things happen faster is the goal. That's what we're trying to do here. That's why I'm making this video, to share with you guys so you guys don't waste your time. All right. Let me know if you have any questions about autonomous agents, if you need any help. I have a free strategy session that I will create for you. If you need help figuring out how to implement AI, I have a free way that I can create a plan for you. So go to my website, Mikee.ai, jump on my email list, and I'll help you out there. No problem. Otherwise, thanks so much for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.